Songbird price predictions for 2024 and beyond. We're going to cover where we're at now, where we could head to, and where we could extend to in this imminent bull run that's ready to kick up here in a massive way. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment, send this to every Songbird or flare holder you know, because we got some massive signals flashing right now from the Stargate signals, as well as Songbird has massive upside and return on investment potential that we're going to cover in this video. And I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just going to cover what I'm seeing in the charts and where Songbird could head to in this bull market that's right on the horizon. So straight out of the gate, we have a massive signal. That vertical blue beam just flashed on Songbird on the previous candle. This is a 2-week chart, so this is super high time frame. And when a signal like this flashes, you don't ignore it. That's for sure. We got the Stargate screener up. We got the Stargate snakes up, Stargate fib forecaster, Stargate bonus indicator up, and then all chart patterns up. If you wanted access to these custom indicators so you can get equipped with the tools that you'll need headed into this bull market here, then click the link in the bio, join the Discord, friend request me, Rob at Stargate, and ask how you can get these indicators, because right now we have our 70% off Cyber Week special, but it ends tomorrow, so now's the time to strike. So massive signal, that vertical blue 2-week buy now. It's the first time it's ever flashed in all of Songbird's history. And when you see that high of a time frame flashing a buy signal like that, look out, because big price movements are right on the horizon. So if I were to take this trend line, pull it all the way down here, it's no surprise that upon breaking this trend line, this multi-year trend line down of resistance, we broke the trend line and got that vertical blue buy now on a 2-week chart. So we're turning a big corner with Songbird, especially with the news on Flare with launching F assets. Flare experienced a nice price rise, a lot of volume coming in. Songbird's going to be a beneficiary of that as well too. So we're going to cover the mini moon, medium moon, and mega moon targets for Songbird headed into this bull run here. So straight out of the gate, we need to hold, if we come back down, we need to hold 0.0039, basically 0.004 as support to be in a solid kind of uptrend and maintain that concrete floor to head up in price. That's where we need to hold. The next level that we need to break above is 0.007. But really, yeah, that's our first target to break above. And then the second one is 0.011. And that happens to coincide with the belly of the beast, the bottom of the belly of the beast. So the belly of the beast is green zone. When you're in it or below it, if you're extremely below it, then it's a massive buying opportunity. You really want to buy in the green. And any kind of other price chart, if I were to pull up like some like XRP, you look to the past, and like you're mostly in that green zone. But since Songbird's fairly new, it's extended far below that green zone. So incredible buying opportunity. And the reason that we need to hold here as a concrete floor, we need to break up to the 786 here, this medium fib. So this is Stargate fib forecaster. It's our secret sauce. We have 3 fibs. One's a micro fib, a medium fib, and then a macro fib. This micro fib, we actually held the 786 here. We had our low to our high, held the 786, and we started to press up. So the next thing is we need to come up to this 786 on the medium fib. And if we can break above there, we're likely going to melt up to this macro 786 fib. And getting above that 0.011 level, to me, is that key level, because it's the bottom of the belly of the beast. And if we melt up into the belly of the beast, then it's likely we're going to head to the top of it, which is at 0.02. If we can break above the top of the belly of the beast, I think we're not going to slow down. I think it would be a extreme move up. And I think we would come up to that 0.14 level, which is the 4236 extension of that medium fib here. And at current levels, let's take a look at that gain from where we're at now to where that could end up. That's a 28x. And Songbird, has been at those, it was at like $1 back here in January 2022. I remember Flare being at $1 as well. So like, it's seen 80 cents before. It's seen those levels, same as Flare. So it's not out of the realms of happening, especially when they're unlocking trapped value in the blockchain ecosystem. So that buy now signal tells me that we're gearing up and we're getting ready real soon for a massive move. We have the stock RSI crossing up on the 2-week. And then if we go down to a lower time frame, let's say like a 3-day chart, we have that TSI now headed vertical. And we have that MACD pressing up with dark green candles and a lot of buying volumes coming in. And let's take a look here. So yeah, if we can get above, actually we're breaking above this micro 786 right now, that red one. And that would tell us that we're going to come right up to that 2618 extension. And that's coinciding with that 786, that level that we marked off at 0.007. So it's looking like that the next target for Songbird is close to a double up here to then come to this level. At that point, it's going to be key to get above it so then we can retest the belly of the beast here. And that level's the 4236 extension of this 786 breakout. So those levels are definitely, coinciding and have confluence with the technicals here. So I'm now going to zoom up here and let's see. So then we have these levels as well. So we have the 0.034 and then we have 0.08 as well too. Then I'm going to hide this. No, I'm actually going to mark the top of this hot zone here. And that's the perfect time to sell when you get in the hot zone. So now if I were to hide this so we can clear up the chart a little bit, now we have our defined levels. So we need to, first off, come up here to close to a double to get kind of back to this base where we had our support coming in March of 2023. We broke below it here, got rejected here. So that's a key level to get above. And then if we can get above there, then our next level is right here at 0.0015, which is even more important of a level because that's where we held support November 2022, December. We had our pump up in January, but then we broke it. So a lot of other coins in January 2023 started going up from this point. Songbird actually started going down. So that was like the turning point. So getting above there will be key. And then getting above 0.021 will be key because that's where we found support in our bear market bottom. And then that was our fall off point in September as well too. So we marked the key levels. So I would say, and I'm going to shade this zone, after we clear all that because we got a lot of resistance that we need to break up through, but it can come fast. A lot of coins, you go to something like PNG, you can break up fast from a massive downtrend like that. So don't be surprised if Songbird finally gets its wings. But if I were to say kind of 2024 price predictions and where maybe it might be a good point to unload some, I would say the mini moon is going to be here at 0.03, around there, 0.03 to 0.04. At current levels, that's about a 10x. So mini moon is going to be a 10x. And then our medium moon would be from current levels up to around 8 to 13 cents, which would be around a 30x if it got to the top there. So our medium moon. So that's our median moon. And then our mega super moon target for Songbird would be from current levels all the way up here to around 20 to 40 cents. I would say 20 to 40 cents right up here, which is crazy because it would be around 80x to potentially, so 40 to 80x for our mega moon. So I'm going to mark that 0.20 to 0.40, and that is a 40x move. And this one was a 20x to a 30x. So that is massive upside for Songbird, and that would really be it getting its wings. So you let me know in the comments, do you think that's realistic for Songbird? Yes or no? Where are you going to offload some if you hold Songbird? But I could see the mini moon being a piece of cake in 10x, and I could see the medium moon being, easy to get there in 2024. I could even see the mega moon happening in 2024 as well too. Songbird can get its legs. I've seen it go before, and we have the catalyst to back it up. And if Flare's going, Songbird's usually going with it. So you let me know in the comments, you think it's realistic or not. Are you a Songbird holder? If you are, let me know in the comments as well too. Send this to every Songbird holder you know, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Link is in the bio if you want access to all those custom indicators. Now's the time to strike. 70% off Cyber Week sale. It ends tomorrow. So join the Discord, Rob at Stargate. From request me if you have any questions. And that's going to be it for this video, guys. So I'll see you in the next 2024 price prediction video where we're going to cover IOTA. I'll see you over there.